Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to request a cash advance through Cleo. So you've confirmed that you're eligible for Cleo's cash advance. Now it's time to actually request the money. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get your funds quickly and easily. Step 1, open the Cleo app. Now you can launch the app on your phone and log in if you haven't done that already. But once you're in, you move on to step 2, which is to go to the chatbot or the Spot Me tab. You have two options. Either you can just type get cash in the chat to trigger the request process, or you can tap on the Spot Me section directly from the menu. Step 3, select your cash advance amount. Now Cleo is going to display the maximum amount that you're eligible for. You can choose to borrow the full amount or a smaller portion, of course depending on your need. Step 4, choose your deposit method. Now you can select your linked bank account or preferred deposit method where Cleo is going to send the funds. Step 5, confirm the request. Now double check the amount and the account and then tap confirm to complete the request. Cleo will process your cash advance, and most are delivered instantly or within a few hours. And that's how you request a Cleo cash advance. Fast, simple, and stress-free. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.